Remove empty strings from a list of strings. I want to remove all empty strings from a list of strings in Python. My idea looks like this. Is there any more Pythonic way to do this?
Using a list comprehension is the most Pythonic way. If the list must be modified in place, because there are other references which must see the updated data, then use a slice assignment.
I would use filter. Python 3 returns an iterator from filter, so should be wrapped in a call to list.
Filter actually has a special option for this. It will filter out all elements that evaluate to false. No need to use an actual callable here such as bool, len, and so on. It's equally fast as map, bool.
Compare time. Notice that filter none lstr does not remove empty strings with a space. It only prunes away, while .join lstr.split removes both. To use filter with white space strings removed, it takes a lot more time.